Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Arianna, and for those of you who aren't, welcome back. Nice to have you guys again. Today is very interesting because it's a shoe that I thought was probably the ugliest thing I've ever seen in my entire life, but yet I bought it. It's not for me, it's for my dad. I picked it up after seeing probably 15 reviews. I mean, you're smacked with this shoe constantly in your face. If you are into sneakers and you're on YouTube and you're on Instagram, you see them constantly. I mean, they're not sneakers. They're slides, they're shoes, they're clogs. I don't know what they are. They're something. They're the Yeezy foam runner. After seeing probably about my top 5 sneaker YouTubers say how comfortable they are and going on and on about this being the most comfortable shoe you'll ever put on your foot, I was sold. And my dad broke his slides to the point where the bottom of the shoe was just coming off. So I thought this is a good opportunity for me to pick up a pair. Obviously I didn't get them off of the Confirmed app. I did purchase them from Goat. Sadly, Confirmed doesn't like me anymore. I mean, I'm gonna keep trying, but I did pick these up from Goat. I got them in a size 11 for my dad, and I got the MXT Moon Gray because if you're gonna do it, you might as well just do it, you know? So I do have them here. I did put them on my foot. Obviously it's not my size, it's significantly bigger, but I was able to get a better feel of the shoe, and I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of the details about the shoe, open up the box, show you what it's all about, give you kind of my all-around feeling about it. I don't think they're ugly anymore, and I'll explain why. So let us open up the box. This is the interesting thing about this shoe. It's not like your usual Yeezy box. They inverted it. So you have where it would be, you know, 350 on the outside. It says foam on the inside and then runner. I took out his sizing tags and I placed them here to save them. But here they are. Oh, and here's the tag. Let me tag out to show you. It comes on this twine. So here is the shoe. It looks quite funky when you first look at it, but feeling it, my thing was when I saw these online, I wanted to know if they were like hard, because I don't know why, but when I think of a clog, or not a clog, why do I keep saying clog? When I think of a Croc, I think of like a hard plastic for some reason, but these are kind of like soft. I mean, they're hard.
That's like ASMR.
But they're squishy at the same time. It's interesting. It's like a rubbery feel. Yeah. Like a rubbery kind of feeling. I'm trying to think of what I can compare this to, of what this feels like. Almost like a bike handle, like the rubber part of a bike handle, but a little bit harder. That's what I would compare this to. So you can see the top looks kind of funky fresh, and it has like this like nose lift. I don't know, it does look like a goldfish. Who said that? Rapid Flex. He said it looked like a goldfish, and I can 100% see that. On the bottom, I think it looks actually more attractive than the top. But now that I like have looked at it and I've put it on my foot, I actually think it's kind of a flattering shoe. I like the look of big shoes on feet. I don't know why,
it's a look.
When you put this shoe on, it's one of the most comfortable things ever. It feels like you have no impact when you're hitting the ground. Like, I feel like it absorbs all of the impact. And I know there's no boost in this because the price is retailed at 80 USD. So I know there's no boost, but whatever the material is of this is insane. I just really don't know. I have to buy myself a pair now. I'm gonna try and wait until the navy color comes out, because up until this point there have only been 3 colors. I think it was Air, then Sand, and MXT Moon Gray. And I know that there was an issue with these being produced in a different location than Air and the foam being a different material. I don't really know that much. That's just what I've heard. But all I can say is that having these in hand and putting them on my foot and having my dad wear them, he really thinks that they're extremely comfortable. He said that it made him feel like he was wearing clogs at first, not like because of the heaviness, but because of the shape. But after walking around in them for a little bit, he said that they were very comfortable. So initial thoughts are, it really does live to the hype of the comfort. I will be buying myself a pair at some point. I don't know when. This is worth the hype. And I think that now that they've dipped probably under 400 for most sizes in MXT Moon Gray and Sand, you probably should get a pair unless you have like faith that you're gonna get the next navy pair. I don't really know. So I suggest that you pick them up and at least check them out for yourself. The comfort level is insane. Insane. I was really shocked. I don't know what I really thought they were gonna be more hard, but they're very rubbery and like, I don't know, they just are soft. The only thing I can say about this shoe that would be negative is that there's definitely scent when you get up close to it. It's a really weird, almost gag-worthy smell. I don't know what it is. It just smells like plastic that sat in a car for a really long time mixed with cat pee. But yeah, besides that, I mean, you can only smell it when you're getting up really close to it. But
besides that, this shoe is awesome.
I don't think I'm going to be putting on foot of this because the size is so big and my dad does not feel comfortable being on camera. But I will show you guys an up close of the shoe. And I really do think that this is an interesting design and concept. And now that they released that they're doing the like, what is it, like the something rose, Yeezy DX Rose, but I'll put it up on the screen. But whatever technology that they're using for this is really great, and it makes me think about the prices of a lot of different shoes. I mean, especially what sparked my like thought of this was the Bad Bunny shoes, and why the price of these is so much lower than, I don't know, like the Pharrell Williams shoes. I know that the Boost technology is in the Pharrell Williams shoes and not those, but they're equally as comfortable, and the leathers on this are so premium. I think that this is extremely comfortable, and I like want to understand what technology it is, or like why it is so comfortable, because it's just interesting. Definitely a cool shoe. I would like to know what you guys think of it. Did you guys pick it up? What are your thoughts? Also, what did you think of the people that laced them? I was dead. I was like, really? We've taken lacing to like a whole new level. It's like we've left the building. Also, happy Easter, guys. Today is Easter, and I did try to win the Bad Bunny Easter egg and failed miserably. So I hope you guys had better luck than me. I hope you guys had a great holiday, whether it was Easter, Passover, I don't know what you celebrate, whatever it is that you celebrate. I hope you had a great time and enjoyed it with some family. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you've made it this far, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. That way you don't miss my next video. Again, I hope you guys have a great week, weekend, weekday, whatever day it may be. And I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.